Hi there. Today's Friday, and we caught up in school today. I don't know why exactly. Maybe because I was tired or feeling bad, or the cold, or the AC, getting the AC fixed. I don't know. Anyway, we actually haven't done school, Nathan and I. Haven't done school since like Monday. So we caught up on school today and learned all about water. Well, we've been, I always read to him at night, the library books that we get for, whatever it is that we're studying. So, he's been getting the water stuff from the library books. But as far as the letter W and the writing of it and all that and all the little projects that we should have done, we didn't do those. I made the badge, trophy, whatever, today. Let's see, it's right here, in fact. Here it is. Let's see. Jesus gives my spirit living water to drink. So that's going to go up on our string on the wall with the rest of them. When Buddy gets home on Sunday, just dropped my headphones. And so we did the handwriting stuff, and it taught him that 10 pennies equals a dime, which also equals, I'm sleepy, which also equals 2 nickels. So we wrote the number 10 and the letter W and read some words and did some cutting and pasting. Let's see. Some friends of ours who we just found out are moving in a week to Houston. They had their baby girl today, this evening, and her name is Ruth, and she's such a cutie. She's really cute, which, most newborns aren't cute, but she's very cute. Yeah, like I said, her name is Ruth, and hopefully we'll get to meet her before they move, although I don't know if we will get to or not. This is their 3rd baby in, I think, 3 or 4 years. I don't think their oldest son is even 4 yet, but anyway. So, yeah. I don't know if they're going to continue at this pace, or if they're done, or what, but anyway. Their kids are cute. They have Jonathan, Joshua, and now Ruth. So, and we will miss them very much when they leave. The husband's also a paramedic, and the mom's a stay-at-home mom, and they just started homeschooling their oldest in preschool. So they're pretty good friends, and we're going to miss them when they leave. Ryan and Emily. So let's see, there's that. Oh, the cold front came in last night. So nice. Feels so good. That brand new AC hasn't been running at all night last night or all day today. I had the windows all open last night. And then we got too cold. This morning I closed them all. I left the bedroom, my bedroom, windows open most of the day, and then finally, after going in there to use the bathroom, since my bathroom is connected to my bedroom, I closed them because it was cold in there. Let's see, we Uvu'd. We have this app called Uvu, kind of like FaceTime. And Nathan and I talked to Buddy today on it for a little while until he got disconnected. So Nate got to see his daddy, even though he's at work. The ants have been lazy bums today. They haven't done anything, hardly at all. They cleared like one very small, like, inch, maybe 2-inch long section of tunnel, and that's it. That's all they've done. Lazy bums. I can hear Nellie. She probably hears me talking. She's scratching at the door. It's probably getting chilly out there again. I think that's about it for today. I did a little laundry. Now I can't stop yawning. It's only 12:30, not 10:30, 12:30. But I was sleepy. I finally got my time readjusted probably from going down to the coast and having to go to sleep pretty soon after Nathan did. And so now I'm very sleepy, very early. I cannot stop yawning. I also had a glass of wine tonight, which I don't normally do. I try to get into the habit of drinking wine because the antioxidants are good for you and all that. So I try to have a glass of wine a night. And I'm obviously not an alcoholic because I never can remember to drink it. I finally had a glass tonight, first time in months, probably 6 months. So maybe I'll be able to remember tomorrow. Who knows? Oh my gosh. I know, I'm just yawning and yawning and yawning. It's horrible. So I'm gonna go to bed. And I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.